Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I got one of the Athearn Amtrak Genesis P42s, the Heritage units, number 66. And to it, I added Tsunami sound, did all the lighting, and put new wipers on it, and did the weathering. So why don't we take a look at the lighting here? And it has marker lights, and then on the rear marker lights work. I'll show you those as well. And those just operate with F5 and F6, so they can be turned on and off whenever. So I haven't had a chance to change the horn, but I'll do that before I ship it. And then those operate on F6. And then again, and that. Okay, very good. Thanks for watching. Bye.